Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to krabsfx. This is day 14, I believe. Yeah, day 14 of the prop firm journey to getting funded 100K. And today we're down 0.8%, and we're down about 1% on our challenge account, our challenge phase. But we're going to be breaking down our trades from today. It is Monday. This is yesterday, by the way. I couldn't do a breakdown, so I'm doing it today. But we took two trades. This was the first one. We took a break even on US30, which was a good break even. It saved us from taking this loss. And then we took this NASDAQ buy, which played out crazy, but price wicked us out first, which is unfortunate. This was a huge move. But that's all good because we're going to have more opportunities. And yeah, pretty much I'm just going to break these down. I'm going to start with this. I'm just going to put my stop loss so you guys could see how big it was. It's about a 50-point stop. But we did get hit break even after pushing 1-to-1 RR. So my first confirmation was our bias. We were fixed bearish, meaning the previous daily candle, it was around here, closed bearish, and previous daily candles were closing bearish, and the 4-hour previous candle, which was this one, I believe, one of these, all closed bearish. So I was looking to continue that downtrend, and yeah. So number one was time. It was 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which was market open for the USA indices, which is my high probability time. It's the time I trade in. And as you can see in my trading window, my time is 9:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. That's my best time to trade in to look for my entries. But we also had a 4-hour imbalance fill, which was basically, an imbalance is basically like a fair value gap. And this was on the 4-hour, so it was pretty high probability to get a reaction off of, which we did get a nice reaction off of. And we pushed 1-to-1 off of here, so I moved my stop to break even. We pushed a little bit more into profits, but we couldn't hit our full TP before reversing, so we got tap break even, which I'm not mad about. I'm not worried about that because it saved us from taking this big loss right here. Or not big loss, but it saved me from taking a loss. So after taking this break even, I was looking at NASDAQ. I was looking at these Asia lows. We swept once, we swept twice, and then we swept 3 times. So I was expecting a move up, which we got. But my entry here wasn't the best. I entered off of some rejection where my best entry would have been a bit lower. Maybe even here. I think I still would have gone stopped out. Maybe not at the break of this low. Maybe I would have survived this, maybe not, but my entry was not the best here. I noted that right there. But I'm going to go over my entry confirmations here. Number one being the fixed bullish bias, meaning the previous daily candle, the previous few daily candles closed bullish. So we're in an uptrend on the daily time frame, a pretty strong time frame. And then on the 4-hour, I believe it was this candle, we were also bullish. So I was only looking for buys, for longs, and yeah. Then we had Asia low ran, which is a high probability session low. And when that got ran for liquidity, I was looking to get in. I did wait for some rejection, which I shouldn't have. I should have entered right here at the break of this low when all that liquidity was swept, and I would have caught a nice move if I left a runner. Most likely in all-time highs, I would probably take my profit early on the runner. I don't know about holding it all the way, but we did position ourselves to be part of this move, but we got wicked out, which is unfortunate, but it happens. But yeah, we got direction right here, which is important. We got bullish direction. I didn't want to look for any shorts in this because of how bullish we were on the 4-hour time frame, on the daily time frame. It's just an all-time highs. I never want to short the market and call it a reversal, because that's how people get killed. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Actually, let me show you guys my account real quick. One sec. Alright, so here's the account right now. We are down about 0.8%, which isn't anything crazy at all. But yeah, we still got the rest of this week. We're going to try and end this week green. It's our main focus. And yeah, but we're about break even still. We've been break even for a few weeks. If we look at this data, let's see, 1, 2, 3, about 3 weeks we're still break even, which is good that we're not in drawdown. But I'm trying to get into profits now and pass this challenge. But yeah, we're taking our time, we're going slow, not trying to rush anything. But yeah, here's our data here. We put this in US30 trade we took. And yeah, guys, this breakdown is from yesterday, as you can see right here. It's the 18th today, but this was on the 17th. I could not do a breakdown yesterday because I was so busy. But here we are, US30, 9:30 a.m. Monday, we were bearish, short, break even hit. Followed our rules, yes. And I also put, oh, I forgot to mention, I also cut short this NASDAQ trade a little bit because of the momentum we had going down. So that was a good call to cut it short and take a little bit less of a loss. As you can see right here, the loss was actually about 0.8% instead of 1%. So something I've noticed is when price is like right near my stop and it shows really strong momentum, I might as well just cut it short, because about 8 times out of 10, maybe 9 times out of 10 even, on these indices I trade, it's bad, just wick me out anyway, hit my stop. And the main thing that I really want to prevent by doing this is I want to prevent getting slipped and having a loss over 1%, which in the past I would have losses a little bit over 1%, and I just don't like having losses over 1%. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys aren't in my Discord, we're actually growing like crazy right now. We're getting a ton of good new members right here. Got some heads popping in here. We got people were giving out some good trade ideas yesterday. Like this guy caught a huge move. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, peace.